to make money on Pinterest without blogging. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys the simplest way that you can get started and start having results with affiliate marketing using Pinterest without having to blog. Also, I'm going to show you a second way that you can actually increase your conversions with this simple trick. And then also make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'm going to share with you something special, especially if you want to leverage Pinterest as part of your affiliate marketing to get more sales. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Linsay with LinsayMoore.com, and on this channel I share with you guys ways that you can make money from home, affiliate marketing, as well as personal development type videos. Now, if you want to get more updates and you like you like topics like that, make sure you go underneath this video and hit that subscribe button so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content, and let me show you the simplest way that you can get started with Pinterest and start earning some affiliate marketing commissions. Okay guys, so right now we are looking at Pinterest, okay? So if you don't know what Pinterest is, it's basically a social network that's going to allow you to visually share your interests by pinning images or videos to your own boards, or you can also browse to see what other people have pinned as their interests, pretty much, guys, right? So just like how I told you at the beginning of this video, like I'm in the affiliate marketing, make money from home, internet marketing space. So as you guys can see here from some of the stuff that's shown on my homepage for Pinterest, is basically how I make $2,000 in 1 month with Pinterest. Passive income online ideas. Everything that's going to be related to, make money online or whatever else is going to be shown here. And as you guys can see here, like I started to look more into like the keto diet. So now I'm starting to see pins about keto diet, right? So that's what happens, okay? So that's what you want to do first. Well, that's what Pinterest is, okay? Now, to kind of give you an example of how people are making money with Pinterest, okay? So let's go ahead and click on one of these pins right here. So let's click on this one, how I made $2,000 with Pinterest, okay? So this person, they created a pin, and if I want to know more information on how this person made $2,000 or made how to make money with Pinterest in 2019 for beginners, I would click on here. It's going to link me directly to their website, and as you see here, it's going to send me to her blog. And she's going to get like a full-on blog post about how to make money with Pinterest, okay? So also on here, as you guys can see here, she has a different little advertisements over here where they could actually take people to, other affiliate offers, or maybe it might take them to another blog post that she has that has affiliate links all throughout the post, just like how she has here, okay? But in this video, I want to share with you how you can make money with affiliate marketing without blogging, okay? Because with blogging, you have to take the time out to set those things up or whatever else. And there's plenty of people who are generating results with Pinterest without having to blog, okay? So let me share with you how you can do this. So the first thing is you want to make sure that you have a Pinterest account. So go to Pinterest.com and create an account, okay? Now the second thing that you want to do is you want to choose a niche. So what niche do you want to build your affiliate marketing business in? Because for majority of the things that you use in your daily life, they probably already have an affiliate program attached to it. So are you going to be in the make money online niche? Are you going to be in the beauty niche, the health niche, relationships? Whatever it is, choose your niche. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to sign up for affiliate programs. So for me, like I said, I'm in the internet marketing space. So I can come to a website called clickbank.com, and I can come over here and they have a wide variety of niches that you can choose from. Okay? So they have for gaming, green products, health and fitness, home and garden. They have a wide variety of these things, and you can come over here to clickbank.com and create an account for free, and you can choose some of these products. So for me, I'm under the e-business and e-marketing, and I chose affiliate marketing. So these are some of the products that are showing up for affiliate marketing that I can actually promote. You can also come to a website called shareasale.com, and you can see there's a wide variety of affiliate programs here. So even for like Crest white strips, the avocado mattress, whatever it is. And you can see over here they have a wide variety of different niches that you can choose from, and you can find products in that niche. So you can sign up for both of these websites for free, right? Sign up for both of these for free, and then you want to grab your affiliate link for these products, okay? So you'll just have to I think like share a sale, you can choose one, and then you have to go through affiliate approval, and then they'll send you like an email saying that you have been approved to promote that particular product, and you'll receive a link. If you come over here to clickbank.com and we click on this one right here, the 12-minute affiliate, for an example, I can just click on promote. I can click on this button here, and then it's going to give me a link that I can use to promote this product, okay? So now that I have my link and everything, the next thing that I want to do is I want to create a pin. So in this video, I'm not going to share with you how to design a pin for Pinterest. Just do a quick search on YouTube. There's plenty of videos that's going to show you how to do this. But I will tell you that you can just come over here to canva.com and you can choose, you can search for Pinterest templates. And we're looking at a ton of templates right here that you can use to create a pin for Pinterest. Okay? So now that you have created your pin, the next thing you want to do, you want to post your pin. So once you have created and designed your pin, you want to come back over here to your Pinterest account. Come over here where it has the plus sign here. We're going to click on the plus sign. We're going to click on create pin. This is where you're going to upload your image that you just created on Canva. You're going to give your pin a title, a short description of what your pin is about. And right here where it says add a destination link, instead of what she did right here where she included a link to her blog post, what we're going to do is we're going to use the link that we have received from ClickBank or ShareSale or whatever affiliate program that you're using, and we're going to include that link right here. Okay? So that's how you can get started with affiliate marketing on Pinterest without blogging. Okay? That's the fastest way and the simplest way to get started. Now, the second way that I want to share with you is how you're going to be able to increase your conversions. Okay? So most people are just going to do that strategy that I just shared with you. Okay? But if you want the ability to increase your conversions, what you want to do is, instead of putting a direct link to the actual offer, you want to send people to what we call a bridge page or a pre-sale page, okay? So for the product that we chose for this example was the 12-minute affiliate system, and this is something that I actually promote inside of my business. What I did was I created a bridge page, okay? So this is just kind of an example. There's a wide variety of different bridge pages that you can create, but on here, this is what I did, okay? So I just have a short headline, and this headline, this headline I actually got from the sales page, okay? If you can order a pizza, you can make money with ClickBank with this system, okay? So in this video, I share briefly about who I am, okay? I let people know what the system is, what problems it solves, and how they can get started. That's what I share in this video. And this video is only maybe a few minutes long. It's not even a long video, okay? So the reason why I created this page is because there's going to be thousands of people who are promoting the 12-minute affiliate. So what can I do as a marketer to stand out, to have people to actually click on my link in order to purchase through my link so I get that commission? I create this page here so they know who they are buying from. They know a little bit more about me. Like I said, I give them an opportunity to know more about the product, right? So before they even see the sales page for the 12-minute affiliate system, they're going to see this page here. I'm going to let them know what the product is, what problems it solves, and then I also let them know about some bonuses that they can get. Okay, so if I want them to purchase through me, through my links, I get that commission. I want to offer some bonuses so that way, they'll be more apt to go through this button right here that's going to land them on the sales page for the 12-minute affiliate. Okay, so I want to make sure that I do that. So that's how you do that. So make sure you always have a bridge page. Create a bridge page. You can create a bridge page in ClickFunnels, leadpages.net. You can use free page builders like Weebly or Wix, and you can create a page like this. You don't have to do a video. You can do a video. You can just include text. Whatever it is, you want to make sure that you have a bridge page in place. And once you have that bridge page in place, you want to grab that URL for that page, and you want to insert that here as your destination link. Let me tell you guys, with the pre-sale page, that's how you're going to be able to increase your conversions and earn more sales. This is a staple that most top affiliate marketers use as part of their business when they are creating sales funnels. They always have a pre-sale page or a bridge page. You want to pre-sale people on what the offer is before you take them directly to the offer. Okay, so that's how you get started with. That's how you can start making money on Pinterest without blogging. Just what I shared with you guys, right? That's really, really simple. So if this is something that you want to do inside of your business, right? You want to get started with affiliate marketing, but you don't want to create a blog or anything like that. Well, something that I want to share with you all is a product called Pinterest Affiliate Explosion. So as you guys can see here, she's going to share with you in this training how you can get hundreds of thousands of views to your affiliate links every month for free without a website. Now, in this product, she's going to share with you how you can create a pin, how to create, how to pin and how often you should be pinning, so that way you can increase the amount of views that you get to your affiliate links every single day. Also, how to find a niche, how to make your pins to go viral, right? Also, how you can do all of this from your smartphone. You can do this if you have a laptop or a desktop, but if all you have is a phone, she's going to share with you how you can do this with a smartphone with just 1 to 2 hours per day of work. Okay? She's going to break everything down for you. And again, guys, this product is only $27 right now, and you cannot beat that. Okay? So underneath this video in the description below, I'm going to include a link that's going to bring you right here to this sales page, so that way you can see everything that she's going to share with you on how you can create success with Pinterest and start generating affiliate sales without having to create a website. Okay, guys? It is a really full-on training here, and she's going to share you everything that you need to do in order to become a successful affiliate marketer using Pinterest. Okay? So hope you found this video helpful, guys. This won't be my first video that I'll do about Pinterest. I'll actually be doing more videos about Pinterest because I see Pinterest exploding for affiliate marketers in 2020. We are already kind of using this, this as a traffic source, but more and more people are actually using this, and they're seeing a lot of results with Pinterest. Okay, guys? So again, hope you found this video helpful. Underneath this video in the description below, go ahead and click on that link. It's going to bring you here so you can learn more about how you can become a successful affiliate marketer and how you can generate more sales, using Pinterest. Okay, guys? Without a website. All right? So hope you found this video helpful. Underneath this video, leave any comments. If you have any questions, leave those below. Make sure you give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.